You will enjoy this brand new, original strategy if you wish to be paid $40 to $50 repeatedly every 10 minutes. Because you have 24 hours to withdraw all of your winnings, the money comes in very rapidly. Watch the video right away. Before we start, subscribe to the channel and hit on the notification bell. First, you can register for free on the GPT Planet. If you go to gptplanet.com/forum, you may register and sign up for free. This page will be displayed after you click the Register button. Enter only your username, password, email address, and password confirmation. Following that, you can add each of your payment accounts, including Payeer, Bitcoin, Skrill, Litecoin, Earn, and Dash. Once you've finished, just press the blue Register button. Opening an account is the next step, after which you can start making money by doing simple chores like watching advertising. You can share links, obtain support from a variety of users, and find a variety of payment proofs from other users on this page. By referring new visitors to this website, you can also get paid. Once the job and the task have been completed, you may cash out your profits here. In addition to Skrill, Neteller, Payeer, Perfect Money, a Bitcoin wallet, PayPal, and bank accounts, there are many other ways to send money. The best part of this is that you may start withdrawing money right immediately and have it in your hands in less than 24 hours. The minimum withdrawal is just $1. The best way to make money on this website is by clicking on the advertisements. You may earn $0.1 for each click by doing nothing more than clicking on something. When you go into your account, you should be able to see that there are various other ad networks that you can join and begin clicking to make money with. I click on advertising and videos since they are both simple ways to get money, therefore I do. There are many companies, including Neobucks, Scarlet Clicks, Paidverts, legit PTC sites, and Optimal Bucks. Once on the internet, you must decide which businesses pay the highest salaries and join them. You should join Paidverts because it is a terrific firm, in my most recent experience. You should focus your attention there initially because Paidverts pays you far more and is undoubtedly a legitimate website. Your second area of focus should be Scarlet Clicks. In order to illustrate a real-world scenario, clicking on this will take you to the page. The image that will be shown to you has a lot of these little boxes. A fresh advertisement will appear every time you click a box, and you can get paid for each click online. The average click-through revenue is $0.1. The concept is that you can get money by clicking each and every box. I want you to pay close attention to the position that appears when my mouse passes over the boxes since it contains a number. The number of clicks you make will be calculated at this point. As soon as you have completed ticking off all the boxes and watching all the adverts, they will pay you the entire amount in your account. You can get $5 to $6 after finishing the task and checking every box. Once you've checked every box and started a new tab, they'll reveal a special bonus for you. They might provide you with some additional money-making techniques, for example. As you finish more and more deals, you'll receive a lot more bonuses and surprises at the end. And that's it. Please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell.